In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a video with an image using Runway ML. This process is a fantastic way to bring your static images to life. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Runway ML website. Once you're there, look for the prompt to sign in. For ease and speed, I recommend logging in using your Google account. Go ahead and click on the Login with Google button. This option will direct you to a page where you'll see a list of your Google accounts. If you have multiple accounts, just choose the one you prefer to use for Runway ML. After successfully logging in, you're ready to start your creative journey. The next step involves uploading the image you want to transform into a video. You have two easy options here. Either drag and drop the image directly into the designated upload area, or click to browse your files and select the image. Choosing the right image is key, so think about one that really evokes the mood or theme you're aiming for in your video. Now with your image uploaded, it's time to unleash your imagination through a detailed prompt. Consider what kind of transformation or animation you envision for this image. The more detailed and specific your prompt, the better the results you'll get. Picture in your mind the story you want your video to tell or the emotion you wish to convey, and write that into your prompts. This step is where your creativity truly lays the foundation for the video's outcome. Once your prompt is set, decide on how long you want your final video to be. You'll find options where you can select the duration that best suits your project's needs. Keep in mind the narrative or message of your video and how long you'd like your audience to engage with it. Finally, with everything in place, you're almost there. Click on the Generate button to bring your video to life. As Runway ML processes your input, you'll experience a brief waiting period. Use this time to imagine how your ideas will merge into the video. Patience is key here, as complex animations can sometimes take a little longer to generate, but trust that it's worth the wait. And just like that, you have created a unique video from a simple image using Runway ML. This tool opens up an incredible world of possibilities for artists, creators, and anyone wanting to experiment with visual storytelling. Explore different images, prompts, and durations to see the limitless potential of what you can create. Don't be afraid to experiment and push the boundaries of your creativity. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy bringing your images to life with Runway ML.